What's up, everybody? Sorry, it's been a long time since the last update, but I'll make that up to you now. So last video we went through removing a bunch of CSS and adjusting it so that we didn't have any fixed widths on the page, and that's going to be a great starting point for today. Great foundation. What we'll be using here is Bootstrap. If you don't know what Bootstrap is, it's a full rapid web development framework. So it's going to include a grid system. It's going to include some JavaScript that you can just use very easily. You can accomplish certain pop-ups without even having to write your own JavaScript at all. It's got its own icon set that comes with it. A lot of people say that it might be a bloated framework, but I tend to use actually the majority of it. It's also... okay, fuck this. It's also, if you go to Theme Forest or anything like that and look up any sort of responsive templates, a lot of them will say like features Bootstrap framework. So we'll be able to say that about this project here. And what I'm going to do is show you how their grid system works before anything. It's crucial that you just understand how that works, and then once you do, you're going to be a lot powerful, or a lot more powerful. So I just got Notepad++ open here, and you can follow along this or not. It's more conceptually how this works. So I got a standard page template here, and you can always check out Bootstrap by going to getbootstrap.com. I'm going to be going to Bootstrap CDN. That way I don't have to download the files locally and have them on my server. I can have them hosted remotely, and I never have to think about their location. So you can grab the CSS here. We're just going to go ahead and copy and paste these. And now grab the JavaScript. There we go. Okay, and I'm just going to put some HTTP first. Alright, so now that I have that there, the way that this grid system works is it's based on 12 columns. So imagine every row on a web page as being 12 columns wide. Just to let you show how that is, with Bootstrap, all these classes that I'm going to use are built in to this CSS file already. So div class equals row fluid. Okay, and I'm just going to put end row. Now this says that all the columns in here make them a percentage-based width, and this will also help with clearing our divs because they're all going to float left, which is actually really a good idea when it comes to responsive design. Is I just float everything left. So let's get into our first column. I'm just going to do div class equals call sm for small, and then I'm going to pick a number between 1 and 12. In this case, I'll choose 7. I'll close out that div. So it's a column. We're going to be optimizing for smaller windows. So column small 7. Okay. Then within that, I'm going to do that. So notice that I have a row div, then in that I have two divs. One column small 7, column small 5. These two, or all the divs within the row fluid, have to add up to 12. So here I have 7 and 5. Now, how does this work? I'll put some lorem ipsum, and my text expander will throw that in for me. And then let's say put the same thing there, only maybe I'll get rid of like half of it or something. Okay, now I give this call 7 here. That means it'll take up 7/12 of the width of the page, or the container that it's in, and this will take up 5/12. So, simple math. So I'll just open this up in Firefox, and this is our call 7, that's our call 5. You can see how the text will change because these are percentage-based widths. I can even go here, and there's all these rules that get applied by the Bootstrap framework. So basically, in every row you want to have call 7, call 5, and eventually this will cascade down so that here's my call 5, and that's my call 7 up there. So that's how we're going to be getting our responsiveness. I'll just give you another example. Say you want something to be half on one page, or say you want two things equal up the same width on the page. You just do call 6 and call 6. Those evenly equal out to be 12. So if I were to go back here, refresh, these would both have half. So if you understand that, then you're ready to rock out, essentially. So what I'll do here is we're going to start applying this to just the template files. And that's actually all you need to do, so far, at least. Let me get some content on the home page first. It'll look and make a lot more sense. Okay, home. That's fine. Okay, home page. And I just might do a paragraph. Oh, my text expander didn't work there.